The customer brought in their vehicle, reporting that the engine was running rough and the check engine light was on. To begin diagnosing the issue, I started the vehicle and confirmed the complaint. The engine was indeed running rough. The check engine light was illuminated, so I connected a scan tool to retrieve any stored fault codes. The scan tool displayed code P0300, which indicates a random multiple cylinder misfire detected. This code typically means the engine is misfiring on more than one cylinder, which can cause rough running and reduced performance. My first step was to inspect the ignition system and air intake system, as issues in these areas often lead to misfires. However, both systems appeared to be functioning correctly, with no visible concerns such as damaged components or obstructions. Next, I connected a fuel pressure gauge to perform a fuel pressure test. Proper fuel pressure is critical for maintaining engine performance, as low pressure can cause a lean condition and misfires. The fuel pressure readings were within manufacturer specifications, so I ruled out any issues with the fuel delivery system. I then tested for spark using a spark tester. This tool helps determine if the ignition system is delivering the necessary spark to the spark plugs. When I cranked the engine, I noticed that the spark was intermittent, which explained the rough running condition. This indicated a problem somewhere in the ignition system, likely with the spark plug wires or the plugs themselves. To narrow down the issue, I used a multimeter to measure the resistance of the spark plug wires. The measured resistance values were above the manufacturer's specifications, which confirmed the spark plug wires were faulty. High resistance in the wires can weaken or interrupt the spark, causing misfires. Finally, I removed the spark plugs to inspect their condition. The plugs showed excessive wear, which can also cause weak or inconsistent sparks. Worn spark plugs not only degrade performance, but also put extra strain on other ignition components, further worsening the issue. To fix the problem, I replaced the spark plugs and spark plug wires with new ones. Once the replacement was complete, I started the engine to verify the repair. The engine ran smoothly, and the check engine light remained off. I performed a road test to confirm, and the customer's concern did not return. This repair highlights the importance of a systematic approach when diagnosing engine performance issues. By testing each potential cause step by step, I was able to pinpoint the problem and ensure the vehicle was repaired correctly. Proper ignition system maintenance is key to avoiding misfires and ensuring optimal engine performance.